Hello everybody, this is Carla again from Magenta SA. In today's session, I thought I would give us an update to the Adobe Scan application. It has been a number of years since the previous video that we uploaded, and there's just so many new exciting features within this app that I thought I'd do an update. Today we're going to be looking at Adobe Scan, as I mentioned, and I'm doing this on an Android phone, so it may look slightly different on an iPhone. So we have a number of options that are available. So I'm just going to zoom out here a little bit just so that it can try and find the edges of my document. And once it's found that, you can see here that it is trying to crop the document for me. So I could keep it on auto select, or I can then say no crop. So you can see the crop lines are adjusting. If I'm not happy with my selection, then I can always click the little camera in the black zone at the bottom here and retake my image. I can rotate my image if needed. I can go into the filters and there are a number of options. So you can see that the original color and the auto color look very different. The second one is a lot clearer. I can also go in here and do some adjustments to the brightness or the contrast by moving the slider depending on what it is that I want. If I have some areas to clean up, like at the very top of my screen here, I could go into select clean up. I could go into fill with selected color. I can then choose the color that I want and click on the little tick, and then I can go and clean up the little zone along the edges so that my piece of paper looks perfect. Once I'm happy with that, I can then, of course, go and click the little tick button. Once I've done this, I've got an option to then go and save my PDF. And whether I'm using the free reader, all I need to do is to log in with my Adobe ID, and that scan will be there. If you've got a professional version, which I will jump to in a moment, I will show you where you can access your scans from there. But I've got a couple of options here. So I can either come in here and copy it to my cloud. I can export my PDF. So if I am needing to take it back to Microsoft Word and I've got the full version of Acrobat, I can do so. I can compress it. You can see there are a number of options that are available to me. What I can also do here is I can choose to share it with somebody, and yeah, a really useful tool. And I've used this so often, especially when I need to scan a lot of documents. You can also pick a document that you already have on your phone and then scan that in. Here I have quickly jumped into Acrobat, and you can see here on the left-hand side of my screen, I have this option here called Scans. And when I click into that, all my scanned documents will be available to me. And here is the one that I did today. And all I can do is open that up. And if need be, I can take it back to Microsoft Word. What you will notice is that this is selectable because it has automatically done the OCR, optical character recognition.